Today, I'm going to show you how to autocorrect in Grammarly AI quickly and easily, so you can fix spelling, grammar, and even messy paragraphs in just a few clicks. This is a huge time saver if you write emails, documents, scripts, blog posts, or anything else where you want your text to look polished fast. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple AI and productivity guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open a Google Doc where you already have some text written. On the right edge of your screen, you should see the Superhuman Go tab, which looks like a vertical bar. Go ahead and click that tab to open your AI agent bench. This is where Grammarly's AI tools live, and it's the starting point for auto-correcting your document. Once the panel opens, look for the Proofreader Agent. This is the one with the G Shield icon. Click it, and Grammarly will immediately start scanning your entire document. In just a moment, it will show you a summary of the issues it found, usually broken down into categories like correctness, which covers spelling and grammar, clarity, and engagement. This helps you understand what kind of improvements Grammarly is ready to make before you accept anything. Now let's talk about the fastest autocorrect method. If your goal is to fix errors as quickly as possible, click on the correctness category in the sidebar. This is where Grammarly lists the spelling and the grammar corrections it has found. On the first correction card, click the Accept button. As soon as you do that, Grammarly automatically jumps to the next error. That means you can keep clicking Accept over and over in rapid succession, and Grammarly will autocorrect each spelling and grammar mistake one by one in seconds. This method is especially useful when you have a long document and you just want to clean up basic errors quickly without rewriting the entire thing. Instead of manually searching for each mistake, Grammarly does the heavy lifting for you, so if you see a clear correction you want to apply, just accept it and move on to the next one. It's simple, fast, and very efficient. Now, if you want Grammarly to fix an entire messy paragraph at once, there's an even better option. Highlight the paragraph with your mouse first. Once it's selected, a blue floating bar will appear next to your text. Click that bar to open the AI options. From there, choose either Fix Grammar and Spelling or Improve It. If you choose Fix Grammar and Spelling, Grammarly will focus on cleaning up the paragraph and making the text more correct. If you choose Improve It, Grammarly can do a more polished rewrite that improves the wording and overall flow. This is perfect when a paragraph feels rough, awkward, or just too unorganized to edit line by line. The AI will generate a corrected version for you, and then all you have to do is click Insert to replace the old text with the new version. That means you can take a paragraph that looks messy and turn it into something much cleaner in just a few seconds. It's one of the best ways to autocorrect longer blocks of text without manually fixing every single word yourself. So to recap, if you want to autocorrect in Grammarly AI, start by opening the Superhuman Go tab in Google Docs, launch the Proofreader Agent, and use the Accept button under Correctness for quick one-by-one fixes. And if you want to correct a full paragraph instantly, highlight the text, open the blue floating bar, choose Fix Grammar and Spelling or Improve It, and then click Insert. That's the easiest way to autocorrect in Grammarly AI and save a ton of time while writing. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials, writing tips, and productivity hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.